Line, launched in 2011, quickly gained millions of users worldwide. In this video, we'll share essential tips to help you become a Line expert and make the most of this popular app. Part 1. What is Line? Line is a chatting software that links people whenever and wherever. Just like other communication software, it allows users to send text messages, audio or videos to other users. Part 2. How to download and set up Line. Open Line and select Sign Up. Choose your country, enter your phone number, and tap Next. Wait for the confirmation code. Enter the code, then create a username and profile picture. Tap Next. Add your email and password, then hit Register. Check your email for the code and click Register to finish. Part 3. 4 ways to add friends to the friends list. To sync contacts, go to Line Settings Friends. Enable Auto Add Friends and allow others to add. Your contacts will be added to Line, and others with your number can add you automatically. 2. Scan the QR codes. You can also select to add friends by scanning the QR code. You can scan the QR code of other contacts or display your code to them to let them add you. You have 3 options here. Just open the menu of Line and selected friends QR code at first, and then you can. To use Shake It, go to menu Add Friends Shake It, and shake your device to add nearby users. To add by ID or phone number, go to menu Add Friends ID or phone no, then enter the info to add friends. Part 4. Start to chat online. Chatting with your friends online is very easy. You just need to launch the Line application on your phone and then enter the friends list. Next, just find out the contact you wanted and tap on his or her Line image. Part 5. How can you make a timeline post? Another main feature of Line is Timeline. This feature allows users to share text, photos, stickers, or videos with their friends. After you post the timeline, your friends can tap like or comment at the bottom of the post.